Now we will see the question related to use of flower in plant classification, or what is importance of flower in plant classification. So first we will see the question, then we will find the answer. What is question? Flower characters mainly used for plant classification because options are: first, flowers have great variety of color. Second, flowers are preserved easily. Third, flowers are more conserved. Fourth, flowers can be easily studied. So you have 5 seconds to give the correct answer. Now we will see the correct answer. First answer is wrong. Second answer is also wrong. So correct answer is this third one. Flowers are more conserved. This is the feature is used by the taxonomist for plant classification. Fourth answer is also wrong answer. Now we will see the explanation. Same thing as mentioned in option. Flowers are more conserved than vegetative parts. If we see the plants, so plants vegetative parts, stem, leaves, compared to that, flowers are more conserved. So because these are more conserved, this is the reason taxonomists throughout the world use flower characters for the plant classification. Agrostology or graminology, what is this? Question is, agrostology is the branch of plant science which deals with what? Options are soil, crops, grasses, fruits. You have 5 seconds to give the correct answer. Now we'll see correct answer. Soil is the wrong answer. Crops also wrong. Grasses, this is the correct answer. Fruits wrong. Now we'll see explanation. Agrostology related to grasses. Pedology is related to soil. Pomology is related to fruits. Agronomy is related to crops and soil. So study of grasses is agrostology, study of soil is pedology, study of fruits is pomology, and branch related to crops, crop and soil management is known as agronomy. And grasses belong to Gramineae family. So if graminology is there, so you can directly correlate this with grasses.